Nike Dunk Low is known for embracing seasonal themes, and Fall 2025 sees the legacy continue with a fresh, autumn-ready take on Peter Moore's classic design. This upcoming release showcases smooth white leather uppers and matching midsoles, maintaining the silhouette's iconic look. Burnt orange overlays evoke the changing foliage and bring warmth to the design, while gold and yellow swooshes, laces, and branding add a vivid contrast that captures the essence of fall. Together, the earthy tones and classic construction create a balanced, eye-catching aesthetic that fits seamlessly into cooler weather wardrobes. Ideal for longtime dunk enthusiasts or anyone seeking a seasonal style refresh, this edition blends tradition with a bold, seasonal twist. Look for the new Nike Dunk Low to drop on Nike.com and at select retailers in fall 2025, just in time to kick off the season in style.